Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are new, my name is Taylor and I do healthy lifestyle videos. Today we're going to be doing a sugar-free dinner. So let's go ahead and jump into that. So dinner tonight is going to be a sugar-free fajita bowl. I do love the fajita bowls, but the rice can have a lot of sugar and just other ingredients like that as well. So we're going to start by chopping up our tomatoes. I like to chop it one way and then kind of chop it the other way. Usually people do like peppers and onions, but personally I like to do the tomato and onions just because, I don't know, I'm not the biggest fan of the peppers, so I like to do tomato and onions instead. So now I'm going to move on to slicing the onion. Life hack: if you chew mint gum while you slice an onion, your eyes will water less. So that is super cool. I didn't believe it until I tried it, and it actually works. So definitely give that a try. Also, if anyone would like to leave in the comments below some onion peeling skills or hacks, I would love that, because as you can see, it takes me forever, for whatever reason, to peel the onion. So if you have any hacks for that, please let me know in the comments below. So then we'll just go ahead and chop up the onion and add it to the bowl with the tomatoes, so we'll be able to saute those. Okay, so next we're gonna go ahead and chop up the chicken. I'm gonna chop it up into kind of slices so that it will make a nice fajita chicken for our fajita bowl. So now we're gonna go ahead and season our chicken so that it can sit while we do our veggies. I am gonna use this taco sauce to go ahead and marinate and season the chicken. I'm also then after that gonna go in with some complete seasoning. I love the complete seasoning. It is the perfect fajita seasoning, and I use a ton of it as well. Okay, so we'll go ahead and let that sit. We're gonna use some extra virgin olive oil, put it in our pan so that we can get ready to saute our veggies. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the veggies on to saute. If you notice, I also did cut up the cauliflower and go ahead and put that on because it does take a little bit longer to cook. So I did want that to kind of go ahead and start cooking while I cook the rest of it. I'm also going to go ahead and use the same complete seasoning on the fajita veggies as well. Again, just gives it that really nice fajita taste to it. Alright, so now that our chicken has sat and marinated, we are going to go ahead and just put that in the pan so that we can go ahead and start sauteing. So you might have noticed that I definitely switched my chicken to the bigger pan. I do this all the time. I start cooking and then I feel like I need the bigger pan for the chicken or a different ingredient, so I switch it in the middle of cooking. So I always go in and use my digital thermometer to check my chicken, because chicken, like I've said before, really freaks me out, and I just can't eat it if I am not 100% sure that it is cooked to the temperature that it is supposed to be. So I am cooking the cauliflower on the side. I'm gonna go ahead and put some Parmesan cheese in the cauliflower. It just gives it a little extra flavor. Even though cauliflower is super good by itself, I like to go ahead and add some cheese. I add the Italian style cheese as well. Not too much, just a little bit, just to give it the extra flavor again. And I am going to be using this cauliflower as the base for my fajita bowl. And voila, there we have our final product. The cauliflower as the base instead of rice for the sugar-free aspect. And then the fajita veggies and fajita chicken on top as well. I do hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. And remember to hit that like and subscribe button. Thanks guys, see you in the next one.